Okay, sorry while I set up here, I'm experimenting with something else because I think I have a something cool going on here. Trying to figure out how to connect to it. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to stop the stream, I'm going to start over, and we'll do a new video just so I can get some content rolling here. Hello, this is Kevin Marquette. Forgive me if I'm starting and stopping my live stream. I find that's a good way to kind of create new videos on YouTube as I'm doing this, so it saves me some editing later. With that, I want to start actually setting up my workstation to do a little bit of live streaming. So if we jump now to my desktop, is that right? Perfect. Let's bring up a little PowerShell. Now, the first thing I noticed, I wanted to do some live streaming, and I want to like set up my workstation to get ready for that. PS version table. So I'm running PowerShell Core here, and I kind of got my font larger, but on my machine, I've got this annoying click backspace noise. And I remember running into that before. So let's see if we can fix that. I think it's PS readline that does this. So let's get command module PS readline. What commands do we have? Probably set PS readline option. What option would that be? Background, command, reset. So I'm just kind of like cycling. Ooh, bell style. Bell style? That's what I wanted. So I want this set to none. And when I do that, my backspace isn't setting this anymore. Now I can't remember if this is a permanent thing or a temporary thing. And I'm concerned that if I reinstall this module, this is going to come back. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put this in my profile. Let's do code profile. I'm going to copy this line here first. When this comes up, that's what I have in my profile. You know, some old command I don't need anymore. Let's place that in there. Alright, so now that bell style is set up, I also don't like the length of my prompt. Like, I don't know about you, but if you look at the prompt down here, right, like, all of this here takes up like half my screen. You know, like half my display when I start is taken up with this prompt. So we can do something about that as well. In my profile, if I create a new prompt, let's do function prompt, m prompt. There we go. And I want this guy to look like, we'll do this. Working directory, I want to do a split path. I want this in a string, and I'll show you why here in a second. And then dash leaf gives me just the folder. So this way, I get just the folder that I'm in. Let's go over here and test that real quick. There we go. So now my prompt is literally just the folder that I'm in. Excellent. What else do I want? I suppose I'm setting up a profile. May as well do it right. Something else I always set is the PS default parameter values. And I always do this for install module and for the scoped variable. I want this to be current user. I think that's right. Let's see here. Install module scope current user. That looks good. Okay, anything else I want in my prompts? I think that's it. Unless there's a host dot UI dot raw UI dot what is that? God, I thought it was raw UI. I'm looking for the error color. Raw UI. That's not it. How do I do error color? I'll have to come back to that one. I didn't really change the color of my errors so they're easier to read. Actually, let's just look that up real quick. PowerShell change error color. This must be it. Yes, host private. There we go. I don't want white though. What other options do I have? I don't want yellow. Orange, is that a thing? We can do system dot console color, black, blue, cyan, dark blue, dark green, dark yellow. Let's try that. It's a little bit brighter though. What's that cyan look like? I'll take that. That's easy to read. I think that worked well for videos. So let's do this here. Make that part of my profile as well. And now I think I've got a good looking, let me close that page, a good looking profile to do for these videos. Let me save that, and I also have a profile in VS Code. He might already be set up a little bit. Ooh, I want impost git over here as well. Let's import my modules first. And I want to add all these options over here. Oh, lost my prompt. Sorry, VS Code and so there's two different consoles, like VS Code console in the bottom here, and then the actual PowerShell Core console or console host have two different profiles. If I do profile here, it's one location. If I do here, profile, it's a second location. They're slightly different. I don't know why I would change them much, but we will just keep them the same. Actually, what I should do is make one import the other, shouldn't I? Let's do that. Let's do profile to the clipboard. And I'll do this VS Code. And let's do a dot source of that thing. And I'm gonna make this guy here just script root, I think. I like that. So now let's test it out. Let's fire up a new console. PowerShell 6. And I make a mistake. I've got my colors. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to wrap up this video right here because I think I've got things set up for my next session. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video so that, or stop the stream so that this video breaks right here. And then give me a minute and I'll be right back and I'll continue on with what I actually wanted to do tonight. So if I do this for my closing intro,